And welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the SunX Tools 51-piece 3/8-inch drive metric 6-point standard and deep master impact socket set. This set features no skip sizes, standard, deep, and universal sockets all in one set. The 360-degree rotation provides increased access at a 30-degree angle. Forged from high-quality CRMO alloy steel for maximum strength and durability. The radius corner design increases fastener engagement and reduces fastener wear. Next is Benpak's 12 APF open-top two-post lift, which is a heavy-duty lift engineered for shops that need maximum vertical clearance and real lifting power in low-ceiling environments. The lift has a full 12,000-pound capacity, an exclusive biometric arm design, an ultra-durable floor plate with concealed hydraulics, and Benpak's 4x5 AS/ARS automatic arm restraint system. This lift is built for SERE's daily use. Our tool is the 4-inch SERE operator knife from Elmar Knives, which is a tactical fixed blade and is made in the USA. The knife features a 4-inch talon-style blade made from 154 cm cryo-treated steel hardened to RC 5860, offering edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting strength. Weighing just 4.5 ounces, the knife is lightweight, compact, and balanced for all-day carry without sacrificing durability. The thin-profile black G10 handle includes grip-enhancing ridges and Elmar's signature red accents. A durable black Kydex sheath with a rotating spring steel clip ensures secure retention, fast access, and flexible carry options. Next is the UV smoke inspection kit from Redline Detection, which is made with UV dye, mineral oil USP or NF. The included UV flashlight enhances visibility by illuminating the smoke and any trace fluid, providing an alternative means to seeing air leaks. UV glasses are also included to improve contrast and help the user see leaks. The 8-ounce bottle can service over 1,000 vehicles. Finally, our last tool is the Bosch ADSX Software Update 7.1 and 7.2. These updates add 2026 model year vehicle coverage and additional ADAS calibrations. More than 6,500 new special tests and system applications are included in version 7.1 and more than 7,000 in version 7.2. Update 7.1 includes model year 2026 vehicle coverage along with additional ADAS calibrations, DTC, data support, bidirectional functions, and ADS coverage. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.